Player-WITSON.
And as you can see here, this is the gloss black frame, which comes, as you can see, my finger going around the outline of the frame on the outskirts. This is what you get with the system. This is the home page. It's the THV model, which comes with an 8-core processor and 464 gig as standard. So obviously it's Android 13. Let me just zoom in just to show you. So these buttons down here obviously are original to the car, so obviously they get removed from the original panel and fitted into ours. You do get a nice USB port at the front down here where my finger is, and also a USB cable which feeds into your glove box, which is enough length. This is the home page of it. Good thing is that this system is that all the AC and all the panel tends to become digital on the screen, so obviously you can adjust all the AC heaters and stuff like that. As you can hear them coming on the background, and dual temperature like that too, and all these work too, so as you can see, very nice. Just switch it off there because it's very noisy. Down here you have volume. Does also work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see in the background. Now a good thing, a nice little thing with this feature too, is if your car's got original Bluetooth, then the Bluetooth call buttons also work on the steering wheel control. We never normally guarantee with the Tesla models, but some cars do work and some cars they don't, but this is one of the cars that it works. So if I just go back onto the home page here, also you got these nice navi icons along here, as you can see. These are all shortcuts, navigation. You can stick any maps of choice on there: Google Maps, Waze, Copilot, Cigic and all that type of stuff. That's your radio interface. 1 second, that one there. It does have RDS on here, so it does show you the station name, which you can tune in yourself. Obviously the station name here. This one here, music and video, this tends to incorporate a USB pen. If you want to put your music and your films onto a USB pen, you can play it through these options here. Let me just see if there's a demo one on here. 1 second, show you how good it looks. So if we just put the volume up on the steering wheel, there you go. So that's how your videos would look. They won't go full screen. Only reason being is because the format of the videos tend not to be, they look pretty funny if they were all stretched out, so you tend to get it on like that way. CarPlay, okay, so this is where you would get your CarPlay or Android Auto through the system. So if you've got an Android phone, you get Android Auto, and if you've got an Apple phone, then obviously you get the Apple type of things. I don't think I've set it up today, but I'll say if you've seen plenty of other videos, you've seen them all working. Set up, okay, so this is just basically back-end settings. There you go. Bluetooth, self-explanatory, to where you take your phone calls through, and your music streaming. Chrome, which is just a browser, and YouTube there. But also if you've got any other applications, they tend to go into the app center here. So you can see we've put Netflix on for the customer today, and we've put the downloader one on there because you want to put the IPTV on there. We've uploaded that onto the system. Comes with a built-in DSP sound processor. As you can see, a lot of customization for the sound output. If you're into your subs and your speakers, etc., then obviously you've got a lot of control in this center here. Bit over my head, that, to be honest with you. Okay, there's your Play Store icon. So obviously if you want to download any applications, you can sign into the Play Store. Works totally fine with Apple phones, so don't, just because it's an Android 13 system, don't think that it's not going to work with your Apple phone. It works perfectly fine. It just means when you download apps, you go on the Play Store, not the Apple stores. That's the only reference to that. Vehicle settings takes you through to this app here, which I showed you previously. Let's have a little look what else we got. Settings, showed you that one, and YouTube. Okay, yeah, hope you like.
WITSON.